Sup?
What's a good?
What's the good?
What's good is cutters. Oh god.
Okay, wait.
Cringe.
What's up, everybody? My name is Capital Bros D,
I'm just Capital Bro C. Okay.
and we are back today with a
Banger.
application review video.
Yes, it's been a minute.
He said banger.
Banger.
It's just a fucking review.
Why can't it be a banger?
It's a review video. Now a lot of people have been asking us on the side about this app that we're about to review. Binance. There we go.
Yeah.
They've been asking us a lot about Binance and what we think about Binance and how do they use Binance and how do you apply for Binance and Binance. Honestly.
Okay, so over my knowledge, I know about Binance now for years. Like even before we started trading Forex and stuff, I knew about Binance. Binance also I signed up way back, but it was too complicated for me. Like in terms of application, like it's a very big application. So if you're gonna take cryptocurrency like serious, Binance is a place to be. Vale and Luna is fine if you like. Me, I'm at the point where I'm just an investor. I will buy my crypto, store it, I'm gone. But now if you're gonna be a full-fledged trader, all the meme coins, your Trump coins, your Doge, all those boa.
Those are not doing so well.
Yeah, but like I mean in terms of like if you want to be part of that type of space, Binance is like an application to use basically. Yeah.
Now, what I have to say is nothing because I know fuck all about it. I have no experience as you know.
So this guide is for you too.
Exactly, this is a great guide for me because for those who've been asking me to explain Binance to them.
Yeah, but
We
we'll
want to
go
find out
together.
together.
So it's
Let's
like,
go out together.
yeah, so
Yeah. Curtis guide us.
no, it's like we've done the other applications. There's always tabs. So there's a standard with app guys. You'll see there's a standard. There's a home, blah blah blah, trade. So this is your standard application.
Blah blah blah.
So
You
this
have $10 by the way.
yeah, this is law, guys. So way back I did like lessons. So this is also one of the features of Binance. You can do lessons and you can earn free money like how I did here. So like $10. This has been sitting in this account for like a few years now. But you can't withdraw it. It's like you know that bonuses where you have to trade with it. There's a coin's name that is home. Look at new listing.
Oh my word. I see that they also do offer up daily news. You know, like all other great apps that should deal with crypto and that deals with crypto and trading and all other forex and all whatnot. They have their daily news and their daily markets on each crypto thing. What crypto thing? Crypto coins.
It's right. It's the right word.
Crypto coin.
You guys know.
Yeah, they also have like 7 trading mistakes. Ooh.
Because that's the
Yes, it's breaking. President Trump says he's working to provide a clear and simple framework that will allow America to dominate Bitcoin and crypto.
Oh yeah, they also another like not like what do you call it note. There is the full version and then there's like the light version. So if you're new, I would go with pro. And if I would go with light.
Pro.
And if you're old, I will go with pro.
When did we start going into this Trump things?
I don't know.
We speak like Trump.
Okay, but yeah, there's pro and light. So I would say if you're new, go with light, and then after a while, go to pro.
Let's go through all these hubs right now. You have your rewards hubs. Reward hub. I got verified. Also verification process. You have to go through a verification process when you start for the first time. You know, it's your simple verification process that you go through with all other apps similar to these.
KYC.
Yeah. Your NIN, your national ID number, your address, country. Then they have this verification like face ID scan thing, you know, where the AI wants you to open your eyes, close your eyes, open your mouth, ayo. But yeah, and then you have your daily check-ins here, buy your reward vouchers, your reward hubs. Get rewards, onboarding tasks, blah blah blah. You know your usual. Here's the vouchers. Your reward shop, the usuals, and then there's earn.
This is I think at the last most. There's a lot of watch videos, basically watching videos on earn, different lessons you can do. So
here's low risk and high yield.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Here's our high risk niggas. Yes. And there's your coins. I mean, yeah, your cryptos, your Ethereum. Your soul, what the fuck is baby?
Like I told you. So Binance literally have 90% or 99% of all the coins basically out there.
And of course the world favorite, your BTC. Bitcoin.
Number one
under the sun.
Okay, I just want to add to what Mr. D says. So like I said, the standard at the bottom, you guys see. So the main part is if you're going to use Binance is trade. So I went over this. You can buy it at spot, or you can buy it at basically at a where you set your limit buy. So you set your price where you want to buy, and this works for all currencies. So the value will be different depending on like currency. So BTC we know is a fucking at like how many $90,000, but then Sol might be 0.01 cents. So it's different depending on the value of a coin.
Yes, your memes.
Spot margin and so here's the options: convert, spot margin, and buy sell. So that way you put your price. You can see there's the order book where you can click a sell, click maybe for example here, and or you click the buy, one of these two, and then I think so the sell.
And then amongst your other tabs you have your referrals. Besides being an affiliate, also they have this thing where you call refer a friend. So if you refer a friend, both of you earns $100 apparently.
I think there's a catch only
to deposit over $50 though. It's not like you get it immediately. And then you both receive in trading $100 fee rebate vouchers. Sorry.
Trading, so it's not yours. It's basically bonuses.
It's not money that you can withdraw. It's money that you can trade with.
You see, if you click the options, then there's an edit section basically. So when you start, if you like, they will ask you like when you're new, like Mr. D explained. They will ask you if you're new, if you're novice. So if you are new, it will basically just give you the basic features. But then you can also come to like edit, and then it will give you all the tabs within Binance, which make Binance way bigger than other ones, because you won't get like a lot of these features within Luna or Vala, almost referencing to them. So there's like launch pools, which is when new coins come out. There's referrals, we went over that. We went withdraw. There's gift and campaign. Word of the day. I don't know what is that.
Affirmation, I guess.
Yield arena. So there's a lot of features that I haven't seen with other brokers.
They also have the P2P, pay to pay.
Yeah, P2P. P2P. So you don't basically like person to person. So we don't need like the app. Me and you can like send me, for example, I have PTC. Quick with Mr. D. Vandaag gedaan.
Vandaag gedaan.
There's other people that don't know Afrikaans.
Quick things. Also, like Curtis said, I'm on the side as Binance Lite because I know nothing is having to do now with this app right now. And he's using Binance Pro because he's a pro.
Not actually, but I also don't know, but I know.
He knows. He knows some shit.
There's a whole earn section, so they do categorize it for you here, Mr. D. You see you have your trade section. There's an earn section, so there's multiple options for earn.
The earn section will probably be now.
They do loans also with Binance. Yeah, this app is fucking big. There's a whole like loans. Binance Wealth, same cash. There's information, and then you have. So this is where you're gonna have to do research. To be fair. So you can't just watch this one guide, go watch another guide, but watch our guide then you see.
This is not even really like a guide because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Also,
I was just entertainment at this point.
Honestly, probably I'll just keep going along and learning along as time goes on, and whatever new things I learn, I'll update you guys on. Won't necessarily need to make a whole YouTube video. I'll probably drop like a TikTok video or so.
Or a couch talk. It could be in a couch talk. Just possibilities. Let's say so. Like it wouldn't have a video in its own. It will have a segment, you know.
Listen, your Binance. You want us to make another video on your application?
Trade to win.
There you go.
Yeah.
What he said.
The gamers would know. Okay, but I think that's most of it. Like we said, you're gonna have to do research. Demo. First of all, demo. Don't even deposit money. Demo it up, and then afterwards, once you've gotten used to this platform, then maybe like dabble.
Then maybe dabble. Go first with the demo, please. Also, I wanted to show this as well. The Binance Traders League came across this now also while looking through this. Apparently, you have 24 days of this league. It started already? I believe 24 days of this league.
Probably a monthly thing.
1.8. What? 6 million? Ooh, shit. A share of $6 million.
Big budget with Binance. Like Ronaldo gets sponsored by them. I think they pay him like a mole, something like that.
He's got Binance.
I don't know, but I'm saying they have money to throw around, man.
Here's the Binance League for you guys that are aware or are skilled enough in this atmosphere, or in this whole area, because unlike me, you might be able to trade like a G.
Come on.
I'm still gonna get to know this app, so I'm not gonna go anywhere near this. I might dabble in it, we never know. But that's my side of what I discovered so far.
There's a lot more, like this video won't do it justice, but there's a lot more.
Yeah. Also, we have your markets here. I believe
that's where all the pairs are. Wait, this is where you trade.
Yes. This is where you trade, basically. Yes, you know, those who have your XNSs, your what other ones are there? Your HFM, your
HFM,
XM.
yeah. If you, this is a standard, like I said.
You are
at the
aware
start.
of this tab right here. You have your favorites, your markets, your alpha, your grow, your square, all below.
Our battery, Mr. D.
Yes,
have to wrap
yes,
it up.
yes. Okay, we're wrapping it up. Yeah, all that other interface power. There's the trade, there's the future, there's the assets. There is a whole lot more that we cannot go through right now because it's a lot that we don't understand ourselves. However, we will inform you as time goes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick review. Hopefully, you guys like to value, but also your own research. And this is just a guide and to give you some guidance, I would say.
And obviously, before investing any sorts of sums of money.
Yes.
Please, please better trade with dummy accounts. Practice makes perfect, repetition makes masters. There we go.
Namaste.
Namaste.
But yeah, okay. I'm Capital Bro C.
I'm Gabriel Bro D.
And we will spot you guys in another one. Peace out.